Hey guys, what up? Know it's been a while, Today we're basically gonna check. I'm gonna show you guys when your alignment is off, how your tire usually look, which most people should know that. I need to turn my wheels. A lot of people should know that, but a lot of people don't know that. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna turn my wheel. Probably can't even see it that good from this side, but I'm gonna turn my wheel. Alright. So let me go inside the vehicle and show you guys. Open the door. I'm gonna turn my wheel. Yeah, that's not gonna do it. I gotta start it up first. All right, I'm gonna turn my wheel this way, all the way this way. Okay, that should do. Yep, that should do. All right, so let's go back out. All right, first, as you can see, this tire, all the tread basically look even, real even. That's how it should be. You shouldn't see no one side grind down all the way than the other side. So this side is pretty good. All right, so let's go on the other side, guys. Boom, look at this. Look at this. As you can see, right here this is basically dry rotted. This tire is basically done. I could get a flat like anytime. In the middle is not too bad, and the end as well is not bad at all. The problem is the alignment is off, so right here is gonna get eat up faster than anywhere else on the tire. So if you ever see that, it could be the outer, it could be the inner, or even it could be in the middle as well. But all your tires supposed to eat up evenly and not supposed to be uneven. As you can see, this is uneven wear right here. So basically my alignment is off, and sometimes you could tell when you drive in your car you're going straight, especially if the road is smooth. If the road is smooth, because my car is a front wheel drive, I'm gonna also explain to you guys if it's an all-wheel drive vehicle or if it's a rear-wheel drive. Rear-wheel drive, all the power is coming from the back. Your tires will eat up faster than the one in the front if it's rear-wheel drive. And if your alignment is off, trust me, your tire, either in the middle, the outer, or the inner part of the tire is going to get eat up unevenly. Your tire is supposed to eat up evenly, and it's supposed to last longer than as long as possible as what the tire specify. Some certain tires give you 60,000 miles, some give 80,000 miles. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know that. But as for all-wheel drive vehicle, no matter what vehicle you have, if it's a front-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive, or all-wheel drive, it is very important to, when you install all brand new tires on your car, is to get an alignment. Because if you don't, your tires is going to wear unevenly, and you don't want uneven wear, just like the problem that I'm facing right now. As I said, a tire on the driver's side, on the passenger side could pop any minute, any time. That tire basically is done. So what I did, I do have a brand new spare in my trunk, because my car comes with a full spare tire. I know a lot of newer cars these days don't have no full spare. They have like a donut. I call it a donut because it is not a full spare tire. But yeah, guys, if you have an all-wheel drive vehicle, make sure when you get brand new tires, get all 4 brand new tires, make sure you get an alignment with it, because if you do not, you will have a lot of uneven wear, and you're going to spend more money, because in maybe about 4 to 6 months, your tire is going to eat up really fast. and you're going to be spending money by buying one brand new tire. And tires these days is very expensive, unless you're going to get like a cheap brand, and those are the worst. I had bought a cheap brand a couple years ago when I used to drive for Lyft and Uber, and man, less than a year those tires was done. They was dry rotted. They was eaten up real fast. It was bad. That was bad. But if you don't have the money, I don't really blame you. It's better to get a brand new tire than to have a tire that's bald, because that's bad as well in the wet weather or in the dry. That'll cause accidents. So yeah, guys, it's very important to get a alignment. As for right now, I do need one, because when I drive, my steering wheel is not, when I'm going straight, it will not stay straight. It will actually go it'll go to the left. I mean, it'll go to the right. I'm sorry, it'll go to the right. It'll turn, like my steering wheel will just keep on pulling pulling on the right. As you can see, the outer end of that tire is eating up real bad, so that means my alignment is off, and it's pointless to try to get an alignment on a used tire, or it's not going to be even. They're not going to get it straight as possible. It's going to be off, because the tire is it's not straight. It's not the same tread. It's not. Might as well just get two brand new tires for the front and get an alignment with it. That's if you have a front wheel drive vehicle. If you have a rear wheel drive, do the same thing. Get two brand new tires for the back and get an alignment. If it's an all-wheel drive vehicle, get all four tires. Get all four tires with an alignment. And it's also important to rotate your tires as well, especially if you have a front wheel or rear wheel drive vehicle. If you have an all-wheel drive vehicle, it's no point of rotating nothing, because, oh my gosh, and talking in my video. Because if you do, it's pointless if you have an all-wheel drive vehicle and you're gonna try to rotate them, because it don't make no sense. All power is coming from all tires, front and the back, if you have an all-wheel drive vehicle. So it don't make no sense to rotate those. It only makes sense to rotate if you have a rear-wheel drive or a front-wheel drive tire. Well, guys, I know that you guys probably tired of me talking. I've been running my mouth for like, what, 7-8 minutes now. So that's all I want to share with you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's been a while. I haven't been on the YouTube. I've been doing other things. You know, I do my DoorDash and got other stuff going on and stuff. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really appreciate all the love and the support. Yeah, guys. Peace out. Bye-bye. Take care. Look at my face. Oh, my goodness. How about that? Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, follow, share, everything. That's all you do. Yeah, like, follow, share, subscribe, something like that. Yeah, you know, it's been so long with me being on this platform. So, yeah, guys. Hope you guys learned something. You know, we learn something new every day. I really appreciate everything. Peace. Bye-bye. Take care. God bless. Until I upload another one, guys. Peace.